All right. Today is day 6 or day 7. I'm not sure. I'm still at Joe's house. Slept here. Drank quite a bit last night. Won playing poker. Duh. It was a good night. It was a good night for sure. Joe, and Braden just went and got breakfast, except for it was just lunch because it's just 1 o'clock. And I drank a gin and tonic there. That was good. Feeling good. Me and Joe are about to go to the gym. I'm not sure what the fuck we're going to hit. I'm going to have to journal later. Maybe I'll just make some rambling TikToks right now and just expose my thoughts. We're going to get down. Something I'm thinking about talking about is, have you ever seen a girl pack for a vacation or a trip? The way that girls pack versus how guys pack is so different. And it tells you a lot about the two different sexes. Because when I pack for anything, it's like I grab the stuff I need immediately and I throw it into a bag, fold it up or something. It takes me 15 minutes. Meredith, on the other hand, bless her heart, she takes like 2 to 3 hours to pack. And she's out there planning on outfits, and she's bringing things that she's not even sure if she's gonna need. And when she packs, it's not like for me, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna grab all my shirts, and I'm gonna grab all my pants, I'm gonna grab my underwear, and I'm gonna bring extras in case I poo myself. And I'm gonna bring my shoes, whatever, right? It's like systematic, it's in order. Where Meredith's like grabbing dresses, and then she's getting makeup, and then she's over, getting running. There's no order. And I feel like this is a uniform thing amongst women. They're, their mind is moving too fast. They're doing too many things at once sometimes. But, yeah. So, Joe and I are going to work out. It'll be interesting. Like I said, we're off a gin and tonic this morning. Feeling pretty good though. So, yeah, I guess we'll see. After that, we'll journal, and then we're gonna have to go live. We're gonna have to make some calls at some point today. So we'll see you guys for that. All right, guys, we went to the gym. I'm just now heading home. I slept over at Joe's house since Joe's fiance is having her bachelorette party in Las Vegas, and my fiance Meredith is there. And anyway, all of us played poker last night, as you guys saw in the last video. But we are a day, I don't even know which one locked in, but I'm telling you right now, we are going to fail today because I do not have time to make my calls or go live or make my 3 videos. So that sucks. However, I'm going to talk about something that I believe is related to that, and that's that the reason why I'm unable to continue, or not continue, but I didn't make it through today, is because I stayed up late drinking with my friends. Now, I have had an issue with alcohol in the past. Not an issue, not in the way that like I literally needed to drink or anything like that, but basically every single weekend I would just go get crazy, drunk, and I would regret it, right? I'd wake up hungover, and it would last me, the hangover would last me several days, and I just realized it was negatively impacting my life. However, so because of that, I literally went sober for almost, 2 full years, and that was very helpful for me. But now, I'm able, so for instance, last night, all my boys, we played poker until late in the morning, late in the night, whatever. And I woke up and I'm hungover. However, I do not regret it. It was so much fun, And it's like, that is something, just bullshitting with your boys is like, that's like a peak human experience, That is stuff that is unreal fun. So, it's not like I regret it. However, because of that, now I'm not doing too well on my challenge, right? I'm not gonna be able to get everything I needed to get done. Me and Joe still did go to the gym, even though I drank a gin and tonic this morning at breakfast. We went to the gym. We hit chest and arms, hit the sauna, you know. Still got that done. And I got a dinner I got to go to tonight. That's why I'm not going to be able to do all my other stuff. So I'm headed home right now. We're going to feed. Where is he? He's sleeping back there. And I'm too concentrated on driving, so I'm not going to try and really get him a good shot. But Gamble's back there. We're going home. We're going to feed him. We're going to play with him. He's been playing with Joe's dog Diesel, though. He's been having a ball. Anyway, we're going to dinner tonight. It's going to be a lot more fun. But we'll be back at it tomorrow. Tomorrow we're doing the free class. So we'll be showing people step by step how to go get their first wholesale deal. It's probably the last free class I'm gonna do for a long time. And I love doing the free class, man. We legitimately change. You know, I feel like I can feel my impact, and it means a lot to me to be able to show so many people this thing that has completely changed my life and be able to show it to them and how they can use it to change their lives. So I get a lot of fulfillment out of it. However, it does take a lot of time. You know, it takes a lot of preparation for me, a lot of my resources. So fortunately, this is gonna be my last one probably for the foreseeable future. But I'm excited for it. We're gonna go out with a bang. We're gonna put on, you know, basically the best educational performance I can for everybody. But yeah, back to the alcohol thing. I feel like a lot of people don't realize they have a problem with alcohol. They just think it's normal because it's so normalized in society. But I did realize, I was like, I have a problem. Like, I'm just drinking, not for any particular reason or anything like that. I'm getting, you know, blackout drunk, like, not just like having a couple beers, like, you know, drinking fucking 15 of them. And for no reason, and it's negatively impacting my life. And I wake up the next morning regretting it. And something that I learned is that you need to use regret as your guidelines, right? If you regret something, that is just a notification to yourself that you need to change something, right? Anytime you regret anything, it's like, okay, don't do that again. Now, I feel no shame or anything like that because that's a very low vibrational, you know, thing to do. But you just need to recognize that, you know, you're not going to make 100% the right decisions all the time. And when you don't and you regret it, you just need to know, oh, don't do that. You're right. It's just like touching a hot stove. You're like, oh shit, that's hot. Not going to do that again. You need to do the same thing with other things in your life, right? Even though it might not be as obvious as burning your hand on a hot stove, when you realize you're doing things that are, you know, metaphorically the same as that, you need to recognize, oh, maybe you shouldn't do that again, right? Use regret as a guideline. And when I stay up playing poker with my boys and drink a bunch of beers and have a great time and wake up in the morning and I don't regret it, it's like, oh yeah, that was a ton of fun and I enjoyed that, right? There's a balance, right, to all things. It's like, hey, you know, I like to enjoy my life too. It's not just all work and working out and things like that. And so as long as you don't regret it, then good, right? Continue to do those things. But that was something that was definitely very pivotal for me, was realizing that and realizing the relationship I had with alcohol was not healthy and, you know, needed some adjustments, and maybe that's something that you might, you know, need to do as well. But anyway, gonna go to dinner tonight. Hopefully we'll be able to get some clips of that. We'll show you guys. If not, then make sure you guys like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. All right. It is literally 4 a.m. right now, and I am on my way home from going to the emergency animal hospital because Gamble over here had a very itchy ear, and he was scratching the shit out of his ears, and it was all kinds of uncomfortable. He was like running all around. It really scared me. I did not like that at all. So I cleaned out his ears, and then he was just still freaking out. So I was like, all right, bro, let's go to the animal hospital. Turns out it's an ear infection. So we got some medicine. Left that place $500. $500 less rich, we'll say. Which is, you know, here's the thing. Like, I remember, you know, a time in my life when that would just be an unthinkable thing for me. Like, I wouldn't have been able to do it. Like, I don't know what I would do. Like, if, you know, all of a sudden, I guess I just couldn't have a dog. But I'm saying, like, I remember, like, just random expenses, like, random, like, things you don't plan for like that would just financially ruin me, you know? And now it's like, yeah, obviously it sucks. Like, I don't want to spend $500 on some shit like that, but like, whatever. Like, it doesn't make a dent now, you know? And that truly is. It's shit like that that is like the peace of mind that comes with making a lot of money, where you're all of your basic needs are so taken care of, and like, you know, emergencies popping up, you know, $500 emergencies aren't, you know, gonna ruin you. There's a level of peace of mind with that for sure. But so it is 4 a.m. I not getting too much sleep. Good thing is I don't have a boss to tell me when I have to go to work tomorrow. I guess tomorrow's Sunday, so most people don't work that day anyway. But so I don't have to wake up at a certain time. But I don't even know if any of this is making sense. My sleep deprived, incoherent ramblings might not be very complete thoughts. But basically, it's also great that I don't have to, you know, set an alarm. Like, I can just, you know, if I want to sleep till noon, I'll do it, whatever, you know. So, yeah. But I'm just glad that my boy is feeling better and he's sleeping and his ears not bothering him anymore. And if he's happy, I'm happy. Anyways, we'll see you guys tomorrow, which is what, day 7, I believe. First week of the challenge knocked out. 1 week down, 2 more to go. Let's hit it.